Hey guys, so I have some really exciting news. I actually got invited to be part of an expert panel this week. We're going to be discussing how to get to $2,000 to $5,000 a month with your freelance or consulting business. So if you're interested in launching a consulting business or a freelance business, or maybe you've already launched and you're wanting to grow and scale it, this is going to be a class you're not going to want to miss. I promise it's going to be short and to the point. You're going to get to ask us questions. I'm actually going to be joined by 3 other amazing experts, and I'm really excited about this class. I think it's going to benefit you guys a ton. It's absolutely free, and the link to enroll is below. It's going to be this Thursday, May 17th at 11 a.m. Central Time. But even if you can't show up live, definitely enroll just in case they actually have a replay and you can watch it later on. So I'm really excited about it. I'm going to be joining Brian Downard and Ryan Robinson, as well as 2 other awesome experts, and I'm really excited because I think that this is a topic you guys really want to learn about, especially after I posted my last video on, kind of like those steps to get started with a consulting business. I got so many comments, so many emails, so many Instagram DMs, direct messages. So I'm really excited about that. Definitely join us if you can. If not, we'll try to, do another class in the future, either inside the Business Lounge or here on the channel. So I'm really excited about that. Again, I think it's going to be extremely powerful. I trust these guys. They've actually done the work themselves. They have awesome freelance businesses or consulting practices. And yeah, the best way to learn really is by, seeing what other people are doing, learning from other people who've been where you want to be, and then, just implementing those same principles, those same practices. That's how I got my business off the ground when I was doing freelancing and consulting. So just a quick update on that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Love you, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye for now.